mushrooms. Put the necessary items into the basket. Olive oil. Correct. Onions. Well done. Mushrooms. Perfect. Halfway through. Basil. You're doing great. Cheese. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. We need to grate this. This needs to be cut. This needs to be cut. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. And fast, bear. Watch out! A stone ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! A log ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.